Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if this is the first time that you are seeing my channel. My name is Keisha and this is Planning with the Prince Pack, and I am here for a new video that I will be doing on a weekly basis, which is my giveaway video. So this week's giveaway is a paper crown planner kit, and it, I believe, is called Love. I think that this is a beautiful kit. I did see a lot of YouTubers use this for February, but I felt that it's a very good spring or pre-spring kit. It's also a great kit if you wanted to use it in March, just because it does have a lot of greens in it, but it does have the gold embellishing. So it is 6 full boxes, and then this box, although looks like two separate boxes, is a full double box. So it will fit perfectly over like a Saturday, Sunday, or if you plan like I do on just sending as printables, you can always cut it and use it that way. So there's 4 flags here, 4 mini boxes. I wouldn't call them, well, maybe they're a quarter box where you can put a little icon there. It's kind of like a little things box, but a little bit bigger than that. A weekend banner, some cute icons like date night, appointment, shopping, script stickers, some two like workout running stickers, some functional stuff, 2 very cute quarter boxes with bow clips on them, a weekly box, as well as a heart checklist you could also use for a weekly box. Let's see, 4 3-heart checklists and 7 full heart checklists. So if you wanted to use this like one day a week, that's entirely up to you. Sorry, excuse me. These are 2 quarter boxes that are with the open. Some headers, sorry, to do today little things, as well as like functional headers, 2 bill dues, 2 trackers, some mini icons, as well as half boxes. These are the little thing boxes, some washi, some more of the icons. This is a quarter box that has the beautiful floral washi with it. I like this because it has the pretty floral, but it also has like the more contemporary / modern look of the lines, a canceled and a nope sticker. I did include all of the glitter headers in this one, as well as 2 more. So the cool thing about her kits, the way that her kits work, is you have 2 options with printables to do it like this. So you can either do like the glitter with this, or you can do the full heart checklist with this, and I do both. So you not only get the glitter stickers with this, but you also, oh, I'm sorry, I'm wrong. It includes the headers, the script headers, sorry. The option for the checklist is the open heart. Some shops, and possibly hers, includes the ombre checklist, but I don't typically do the ombre checklist if it's an option not to. It includes all of the date dots, all of the date headers, which if you look how pretty the floral is behind the script. I just am obsessed. A cute movie night marquee. This is a cute half box that doesn't quite, it fits just a little bit on the inside, which is great. Some washi, Etsy stickers, some bow dividers, and some other scripts, midweek spread, weekly spread. So that's with that one. And then these are 7 full heart checklists, another weekly checklist, or another weekly tracker, sorry, bows, some more of the flags, and then some quarter boxes, like quarter labels. And then I am including in this giveaway both sets of these. So instead of just being the headers or glitter headers or the script headers, you're going to get both, and then you're going to get 2 sets of washi. So you can put one in your D-stash or use it for something else. That's entirely up to you. So this is a full kit giveaway. So again, this is with Paper Crown Planner, and this is how you are going to be able to enter to win this giveaway. Okay, first of all, subscribe to my channel. Okay, and I do get notifications for people that subscribe to my channel, so please make sure that you subscribe to my channel. That's the first thing. The second thing you need to do is go over to my Instagram because it is a lot more trackable or easier to track there. Head over to my Instagram, which is @theprincepack. I will have this picture uploaded onto my Instagram the day of the giveaway, and it will tell you exactly what time the giveaway ends and what you need to do. So in case you forget about this, then you will be notified or instructed on how to do it over at my Instagram. So you add me, or I'm sorry, like my channel on YouTube. I'm sorry, subscribe to my channel on YouTube. Follow me on Instagram, like the image on Instagram, and then tag one friend. That's all, one friend, and you will be entered to win. And then it's just going to be a random. So, yeah, that is exactly how you can enter to get this giveaway. This is coming just in time that if you wanted to use it for an anniversary, or like I said, the start of spring, which is March 20th, or if you wanted to use it for another week in March. Again, these colors lead to amazing spreads. So, and I love paper crayon planner spreads. They are good, solid, full kits. So this paper is on just like regular matte paper. It is not like a fancy or buttery paper, but it still is an amazing kit. So I hope you, I wish you all the luck that you possibly can receive from somebody that's running their own giveaway. And I hope to see you next week for my plan with me. Thank you so much. I hope you have a wonderful week. Bye.